How to use Bitrix CRM on your Android device. So first, open the app if you haven't already. Then after a few moments, your screen should look something like this. Here, you'll see 5 options on the bottom of your screen, but simply tap on the menu option, which is located on the bottom right corner. After tapping on it, scroll down until you see an option called CRM, which is right below the Flows option. Then tap on it. Then here you'll see a plus icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it. And for this video, I'll create a contact CRM. So after tapping on contact, you can fill in all the information about the particular person. Then tap on the top right corner where it says create. And these are some simple few steps you can use in order to create a Bitrix24 CRM. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.